Are you good with your hands? Do you have an eye for detail and are happy working both indoors and outdoors? Are you interested in doing a job that helps conserve energy? If so, you may find yourself warming up to a career as an insulator. Heat and frost insulators apply, remove, and repair thermal and acoustic insulation to a variety of surfaces and equipment. They work with different kinds of materials, including mineral wool, styrofoam, and fiberglass. To find out more about this absorbing career, we talked to a heat and frost insulator working in Alberta.
Hi, my name is Lindsay, and I'm a heat and frost insulator. As an insulator, we apply, remove, and repair thermal and acoustic insulation. Heat and frost insulators work on pipes that can be found in a variety of different buildings, such as commercial, industrial, or even in your home. These pipes transfer water, and we insulate these pipes to keep them either hot or cold. My typical day as an insulator, I arrive at site, then we start with a morning toolbox talk, fill out all the safety paperwork such as field level hazard assessments, put on our personal protective equipment, then we measure material for the job. Depending on the day, you could be working on a variety of different sites, whether it's in a mod yard, on a pipe rack, or in a commercial building working in a mechanical room. Someone as an insulator could work in an industrial plant, commercial sites, or fabrication shops. I personally work on commercial projects. In general, insulators select the type of insulation to be installed and the methods to secure it. These methods could be wiring, strapping, or taping. The choice of insulation depends on the shape of the surface and the temperature. We also read and interpret drawings for specifications. We measure and cut insulation materials and coverings. We fit insulation around obstructions. We install vapor barriers and insulation surfaces by applying metal cladding, canvas, or plastic sheathing, also known as PVC. Some of the characteristics you need as a heat and frost insulator are precision when you're fitting material, manual dexterity, and strength. Sometimes we'll be required to lift heavy objects up to 25 kilograms. You'll also need the ability to work in cramped spaces and at heights, and you need to be comfortable working in hot and cold environments. We often work with materials that are dusty, itchy, or toxic, so we must observe safety precautions and equipment. Typically, insulators work 40 hours a week, sometimes with overtime to meet construction deadlines. As an insulator, our jobs are usually fast-paced, a lot of deadlines to meet, and we're usually the last trade on site. To work in Alberta as a heat and frost insulator, you can either be an Alberta certified apprentice or a registered journey person, or you could work for an employer that is satisfied with your work. The apprenticeship in Alberta for a heat and frost insulator is 3 years long, which include a minimum of 1,517 hours of on-the-job training and 7 weeks of technical training each year. As a heat and frost insulator, there's many opportunities for advancement, such as four-person, project management, estimating, or you could own your own company. What I really love about my job is completing a project and seeing the finished product. If you really enjoy problem solving and working with your hands, I really encourage you to join the trades and become an insulator.
In this career, you need to be comfortable working alone or as part of a team. It also helps if you can work in cramped spaces or at heights. Throw in the ability to measure and cut materials accurately, and you're in the right zone to be an insulator. Cover the details on this occupation, including training requirements and salary ranges, in the occupational profile on the ALICE website. And find out about related occupations, including construction craft worker, glazier, and floor covering installer. Explore the possibilities. Go to alice.alberta.ca.